Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on HEXO. It's been a little while since I've talked about them. As you follow my channel, I talk a lot about MJ here on the channel, but you can see ever since September, about a year ago, this has just been on the downslope. So it'll be a nice one to ski down. So down over 91% in the last year. In the past 3 months, down over 17%. It's actually green in the past month, 13.5%. Here's a look at the last week, 2%. And here's a look at today, it's in the green. So who'd have thought that? But HEXO, ticker is HEXO, so can't get any more simpler than that. Basically, it's an MJ play. Like I said, if you follow my channel, you should be following my channel. I talk a lot about MJ here on the channel and try to stay on top of some of these and get the news out there. So this one's founded in 2013. Market cap of 104.93 million, almost 105. High today of 0.2147 and a low of 0.202. 52-week high of $3.08 and a low of 0.177. So it's almost still at the lows. Average volume of 7.89 million. Volume today at 4.32 with a 63% hold. Here's a look at their earnings. And here's a look when I bought some. I've transferred all this out of Robinhood, but here's a look at last December at 68 cents. And I usually put in a limit order and go low, but you can see how it's going low day by day. So all MJ's in the green here today. So just did a video about Aurora and Tilray earlier today, so you'll have to watch that one in the the comments. I'll put it in the description as well, and you can comment on it later. Over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing HEXO as a sell, currently at 21 cents. HEXO receives average recommendation of a hold from brokerages. This is dated on the 23rd, so a little bit older information, but still relevant if you have HEXO. And like I said, I haven't done a video on them, so this is all that I could find, but basically showing a hold rating from 8 analysts and are currently covering the firm. 2 investment analysts have rated the stock with a sell recommendation, 5 had issued a hold recommendation, and 1 has assigned a buy recommendation to the company. Average 12-month price target among brokers have updated the coverage of the stock in the last year is $1.27. And there's some more ratings. Here's kind of some of the stock performance. Kind of already went over some of that as well. Feel free to pause and go over that. Institutional investors weigh in on HEXO. Millennium Management grew its holdings of HEXO by 184.5% in the second quarter. So quite a change in holdings there. And there you can see some more buys and holds going on. HEXO company profile: produces, markets, and sells MJ in Canada. The company offers the adult use and medical products under HEXO brand name. It also provides MJ beverages under the Little Victory, House of Terpenes, Molo, Very Well, and XMG brands, and MJ products under UP, MJ, Original Stash, and Up brand names. If you don't buy HEXO Corp right now, you'll regret it later. This is dated on the 23rd. The trading price of HEXO on Monday, August 22nd was 21 cents, 6.59% lower than its previous close. Traders who pay close attention to the intraday price movement should know that they fluctuated between 0.202, 0.2148, 52-week price. Stock hit a 52-week high of 270 and a 52-week low of 18 cents. Over the past month, the stock has gained 4.16% in value. HEXO's, whose market valuation is $128.44 million at a time of writing, is expected to release its quarterly earnings report on August 27th of 2022 through the 31st. Optimism about the company's current quarter earnings report is understandable. Analysts have forecast the company to bring in revenue of $33.7 million for the current quarter, with the likely lows of $28.87 million and highs of $37.19 million. There's kind of some ratings as well. Average analyst rating on the stock is represented by 1 to 5, with the extremes of 1 to 5 suggesting that the stock should be considered as either strong buy or strong sell. And you can put your own ratings on it. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so just stating my opinion. And nothing really up to date there. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 21 cents, low of 18, high of $2.53. We're rubbing hands. So a minute it is at the lows. If you wanted to buy some, now would be the time to pick it up while it's low. You might even get it for 20 cents. I'd put in a buy for 20 cents. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. Tilray got in cheap, no reason to sell that low ever again. High Tide is another one of my favorites. I've talked about all of these probably within the last 2 weeks. MSN Money currently at 21 cents with a strong sell rating and an upside to 24 cents. But that's all that I have on HEXO. If you have HEXO, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.